Hello everyone, welcome back to this Python programming series, and today we'll be looking at string data type. Now, string data type are vastly used in programming. Now, what are strings? Strings basically are represented with single quotes or double quotes. For say, if you're writing something like hello here, okay, it can be any word, something as my name is Ali or anything like that, Adam. You just need to write it with single quote or double quotes like this. Hello. Okay, don't mind my spelling mistakes, and hello. They basically mean the same thing, but I recommend using this data type, this way of writing them with double quotes. There is no difference between them. They both mean the same thing, but I just recommend using the double quotes. Now, other than that, we were looking at what are the different methods of strings and the uses of strings in programming. Now, if we go to our Jupyter notebook and write here something like this, I guess word equal to double quotes hello, and I will just print it now word, and just you can see it has printed hello there for me. Now supposedly you have to write something long, supposedly a paragraph or an essay like that, something like this. My name is Adam, I am 24 years old, I love Python, something like this. Now there are some basic problems with this. Now first of all, Python could not work like this in multiple lines. Okay, it only works with single line. Now if you want to write like this in multiple lines, you will need to write three quotes here. And one, two, three. Oh, wait a second. Okay, I think I need to write here like this. Okay, there's an error occurring right now. I will write it like this. Basically, you need three quotes, one, two, three. And you will write here, hello, I am Adam. I am 24 years old. My passion is programming. Now, as you can see, if I print this, it will write it just like that. Hello, I am in the one line, and I am 24 years in the second, and my question is programming in the third line. This is how you write multiple line strings. Now, other than this, there is a thing called string concatenation. What is string concatenation? Basically, it means combining two strings together. For say, if you write in one variable, that is hello, and another variable you write world, then you can just combine them together and print them as hello world. To do this, you will need a plus operator. The plus operator is used for string concatenation. Suppose if I write word1 is equal to hello, and I will write word2 equal to world. Okay, I will make word3 and I will set it as word1 hello plus word2, which is mean hello world. Now if I print it, it should print hello world. And word3, and there you go, it is printing hello world. Now you can also do it something like this. Suppose this was hello, and you can do this word1 plus equal to word1 plus world. And if I print it now, it should print hello world, word1. There you go. There's hello world right here. Now, other than this, there's a built-in operator or method which is called len. The len function is used to return the amount of elements in a string array or something like that. Supposedly, if I write a name here, which is Adam and something long like that, Lewowski or something like that. Now, I don't know how long this sentence is or this word is. If I want to find something like that, then I will just use the built-in function which is len name. This will return me the length of the given string variable or anything like that. Now if I print it, it should print me 19, and yes, this is 19. If you want to confirm it, we can write something lower like Adam, which is 4 letters long, and yes, it is returning as 4. You can use len function like this. Now built-in methods. Python the string data type is basically a class. We will discuss classes in a different future video of OOP. Now for now, I will tell you this: there are some built-in methods in string. Suppose if I write here string hello world. Now if I print it as name dot, lower. It should convert all elements or all alphabets into lowercase. As you can see, the H and W were also converted to lowercase. And if I write here upper, it should convert them all into uppercase. As you can see, it has converted them all into uppercase. Now, supposedly, I make a spelling mistake. I write here Z, and I wanted to write here W. I can also use another built-in command, this method, which is called replace. I will just replace Z with W. You write the thing to find and replace on the left side of the comma, and the thing to replace the word with or the alphabet on the right side. And now if I print this, it will write hello world. Or in the other case, it would have printed something like this. Hello Zold. And this was an error. Now, other than this, there are basically two more things, which is the in and not in. Now, supposedly, if you write something like this, I am Adam, and then you use something like this, print is I in Adam. I need to check whether the word I or the alphabet I is in Adam. So I will just write like this, I in name. If this is true, it should print me true. Yes, there is an I in the word in the data type name, as you can see. Now, if I write something like, I guess Z here, then it should print me false, because as you can see, there is no Z in the given word I am Adam. As you can see, this is false.